morning, Nigeria. I am Aisha Mohammed. Welcome to Transfiguration News. Headlines: exit from recession, 9 if felt by Nigerians. Exit from recession, 9 if felt by ordinary Nigerians, says Buhari. Catholic priest murder. Police arrested 5 suspects in Imo. 2018 World Cup. Mikel assures of better performance against Zambia. State of DIOCESE, Diocese of SAPELE, Anglican Communion. State of Church of Transfiguration, UGBEYIYI SAPELE. Now the news in full. President Muhammadu Buhari yesterday said the real impact of the country's existing recession will be better felt when ordinary Nigerians experience a change in their living condition. Imo State Governor Okorocha has confirmed the arrest of 5 suspects in connection with the gruesome murder of a Catholic priest, Reverend Father Charles Oluko. Oluko was allegedly kidnapped by gunmen last week Friday from his vehicle in Olu town. His body, according to the Commissioner of Police in Imo State, Priest Ezike, was discovered the following day in a bush in the Omuma village, Olu East local government area. Okorocha, who disclosed the report of the arrest while speaking at the government house area, said security operatives have arrested 2 suspects in connection with the crime. The Imo State Governor also assured residents of Imo State that government has put in place adequate security of lives and property, urging them to go about their lawful business without fear. Super Eagles captain John Obi Mikel has declared that the team will not flop if they must qualify for the next year's World Cup in Russia. Nigeria are currently 6 points clear in Group B African qualifiers and are on the verge of reaching their 6th World Cup after their 1-1 draw with Cameroon on Monday night in Yaoundé. The Super Eagles' first World Cup was in 1994, where they reached the 2nd round. Since then, they had qualified for every World Cup except in Germany 2006. We'll go for a short commercial break to be right back. And since in the month of July 2015, been going through a period of a challenging crisis. But not to worry, modalities have been put in place to make sure that in no distant time, the crisis will come to a lasting end. The Church of Transfiguration, under the spiritual leadership of God's chosen servant, Reverend Gideon Onobugbe, is without doubt going from one level of grace to another. Members are urged to pray ceaselessly for the church and be committed to weekly activities for the edification of their spirit man. As we all know, the church building project is going on and have reached standstill. Truth be told, that members of the church have been very supportive to the building project. We use this medium to appeal to our mothers and our fathers to support the youth harvest, which is ongoing today, so as to keep God's glory. God bless you. Long live the Church of Transfiguration, Anglican Communion. Long live the Church of Nigeria, Anglican Communion. Long live the Diocese of SAPELE. I am Aisha Mohammed. Thank you.
My country people, good morning. Now my name is Christiana Okoro, and the story when I want Nakuna, they as follows. Nigeria don't waka comot for recess. Then kill one Catholic father for Imo State, Owerri. 2018 World Cup don't reach ground. Wetin dey happen for SAPELE Diocese? Wetin dey happen for our church of Transfiguration? And the matter be this. President Muhammadu Buhari, the president of Nigeria, don talk on Wednesday, when be the 6th of September 2017, say Nigeria don waka comot for recess. He come talk say, we when be Nigerians no go believe for wetin he talk Say why? Because the common Nigerian man still never fit chop 3 times food for one day. The governor of Imo State, when he name na Rochas Okoroncha, don confirm say they don arrest 5 people when he get hand for the killing of the Catholic father, when he name na Reverend Father Sikros Unukwo. Dem come talk am say this father Unukwo so na 5 men when he carry big AK-47 na kidnap am last Friday for a motor for one town wey dem dey call Ruru. Na the commissioner of police come talk say dem don see the dead body of the father for one bush for the village wey dem dey call Umuma of Oru East local government area. The governor wey e dey talk for government house for Owerri don talk say police people don arrest 5 people when e get hand for the killing of the father. He still talk say make the people of Imo State no fear, say security men go make sure say that kind thing no happen for the state again. Finally, he come tell them say make them go do their normal business, say fear no dey again. The captain of the Super Eagles, when he name na Mikel Obi, don boldly talk say the team no go fall their hand, say dem must qualify for next year World Cup for Russia. Mikel still talk say Nigeria dey 6 points on top of the Group B African qualifiers, and say like play Nigeria dey road to their number 6 World Cup after the 1-1 draw with Cameroon on Monday night for Yesterday. Since the Super Eagles first World Cup when dem take reach the second round, since the Super Eagles first World Cup when dem take reach the second round, dem dey always qualify for every World Cup except for Germany 2006. No be new story again o. We go come back. Let's go on a short break.